Now in the fifth case, the object is at focus. Okay, here in the diagram, the object is at focus. Now the first ray coming from the object is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, and the second ray is along the normal. Okay, and the second ray is along the normal this is the second ray which is along the normal. Okay, then the first reflected ray corresponding to the first incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis the reflected ray will pass through focus. Okay, so this is the reflected ray corresponding to the first incident ray. Now the second reflected ray corresponding to the second incident ray which is along the center of curvature will retrace the path of the incident ray, that is the reflected ray retraces the path. Okay, and you see that these two reflected rays are parallel to each other and they never intersect. Okay, it means the image is formed at infinity. Okay, when the object is at focus, then the image is formed at infinity. So we can write the image is formed at infinity. Okay, because the reflected rays are parallel to each other. Okay, now the last case, when the object is in between pole and the focus. Okay, like that. So take two incident rays. One is parallel to the principal axis and other pass through or appear to pass through the center of curvature or along the center of curvature. Okay, now draw the corresponding reflected rays. The first reflected ray will pass through focus and the second reflected ray will retrace the path of the incident ray. Okay, like that. And you see that these two reflected rays are diverging in nature. Okay, so when you produce backward, they will meet at a point. Okay, when you produce these two reflected rays backward, then they meet here. Okay, so at this point image is formed. Okay, so this is the image of the object placed in between the pole and focus, and this image is virtual image because this image is formed when we produce the reflected rays. Okay, so this image we can write the image is virtual. The image is virtual and erect, and the image is magnified. Okay, note it down.